Hi, Angeli. How are you today?
Doing well. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. It's so great to see you today, as always.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, so Anjali Patel is a estate planning attorney and also an HOA attorney. And I think that is such she's a gem in the findings because having information like that for both estate planning and homeowners associations is super important. As an attorney, she helps many people um, before they purchase their property or even during home ownership. And we're going to talk about estate planning today. Let's talk about what happens in a situation. Why is estate planning so important, especially when you're purchasing a home or you own a home?
Yeah, that's such a great question. And it kind of gets at the heart of what you specialize in too with your real estate transactions. If people who own property do not have an estate plan in place, what that means is that whoever their loved ones is that are going to inherit the property have to first get court approval, post a bond, file for probate in order to sell that home later, which can cost a lot of time and money, and it can put a lot of stress on that person that's inheriting the property.
That's super interesting. And do you want to talk a little bit about pour over wills and things that go into an estate plan?
Yeah, there's different types of aspects or documents that go into like a full trust plan, for instance. Um, and so when we talk about an estate plan that includes like a revocable trust, we're also talking about and drafting healthcare power of attorneys, financial power of attorneys, a transfer deed, so putting that property into the trust, and then pour over wills, which takes care of any additional assets that didn't get transferred to the trust during life. So it's kind of a complete package.
And people, where should they? Some people have many homes, right? Or they own several properties. Where should they create the estate plan?
They can create an estate plan in the state where they live, but we also are going to take some additional action in every state where the property is located. So if you reside in New York and you've got your estate plan there, you buy a property in Arizona, it still makes sense to come talk to me or talk to somebody that's here in Arizona about how you get that property out of probate and directly to the person that you intended it to go to.
That's great, because Arizona and New York and other states have different rules.
That's right.
And it's so important to make sure that confirm that you're dealing in the state that you live in to uh, follow their rules. So you're compliant and you don't have any issues later. That's super important because I've seen, I'm certified in trust and probate, and I see a lot of things happen, and people look when it's too late to find out, what's going on. So, Angeli, when people need to create an estate plan, what's a great way for them to reach out to you?
I'll include the links in this video at the bottom, but a great way to reach out to us is through the contact us form on the website or to book a Calendly link with me to kind of talk through what their assets are and what we can do to help avoid probate or to really iron out all the kinks before something happens.
That's great. Good to know. Thank you so much. Always a pleasure.
You too. Thanks.
Bye.